Hi student, welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the mechanism of weight corrosion, that is hydrogen evolution mechanism, from unit 6 corrosion science. The learning outcome from this session will be students should be able to recognize condition for hydrogen evolution mechanism, and students should be able to explain hydrogen evolution mechanism with anodic and cathodic reaction. Now, before going to the discussion of hydrogen evolution mechanism, let us start with the weight corrosion. And we know that weight corrosion is the corrosion occurring on the metal surface due to the formation of anodic and cathodic region, leading to formation of a short-circuited galvanic cell, and hence electrochemical corrosion occurs due to the formation of anodic and cathodic area on the metal surface when the metal surface comes in contact with an electrolytic medium. The electrolytic media may be an aqueous solution of either acid, neutral salt, or base. Now, in case of weight corrosion, always anodic metal undergoes oxidation, while cathodic metal will not get affected by the process of corrosion. That means the corrosion always occurs at anodic metal or anodic metal part. So here oxidation occurs at anode, that is anodic metal or anodic part of the metal undergo corrosion. This anodic metal after corrosion gets deposited on the cathodic area near the anode or dissolve into the electrolytic solution in the form of metal cation. The anodic metal gives electron, that means it undergoes oxidation, and these electrons travel from anode to cathode. Further, these electrons are captured in between for the formation of corrosion product, and hence I said that the corrosion process do not affect the cathodic end, it will only affect the anodic end. So depending on the nature of environment, the formation of corrosion product takes place, and this weight corrosion can be explained by two mechanisms depending on the nature of electrolytic solution. So first is the hydrogen evolution mechanism, and second is the oxygen absorption mechanism. So here in this session we are going to discuss about hydrogen evolution mechanism. In case of hydrogen evolution mechanism, the corrosion by this mechanism takes place in acidic medium and in absence of dissolved oxygen. So when the metal comes in contact with the electrolytic solution which is acidic in nature, then in that case the hydrogen evolution mechanism may occur. Also, the electrolytic solution should not consisting of dissolved oxygen in order to have hydrogen evolution mechanism, and it has been observed that all the metals which are placed higher than hydrogen in galvanic series, then such metals are having ability to undergo corrosion by hydrogen evolution mechanism. So here at anode the metal will undergo oxidation to form metal cation and electrons will be given out. So for example, Fe will undergo oxidation to form Fe2 plus 2 electrons will be given out. Now this Fe will dissolve into the electrolytic solution in the form of Fe2 plus. Now these electrons will migrate from anode to cathode, and at cathode the electrons will be captured by the H plus ions present in the electrolytic solution, and there will be liberation of H2 gas at the cathode. So at cathode 2H plus 2 electron will lead to the evolution of hydrogen gas. Hence the product of corrosion is liberation of hydrogen gas, and the mechanism will be called as a hydrogen evolution mechanism. The corroding media contains dissolved compounds of anodic metal. So further we will discuss this hydrogen evolution mechanism by diagram. Suppose there is a iron plate, and in this iron plate there is a brass screw, and this iron plate is covered by the aqueous acidic media. Here in this case the iron component will act as an anode, while this brass component will act as a cathode. Now when there is a generation of anode and cathode, then the corrosion process will start. Now here the anode will undergo corrosion, so iron will undergo corrosion, and hence the Fe will form Fe2 plus and will go into the electrolytic solution in the form of Fe2 plus ion, while the electrons which are given by the Fe will travel from anode to cathode, and at cathode they will be captured by the hydrogen, and there will be formation of a hydrogen gas, and that hydrogen gas will be evolved in this hydrogen evolution mechanism. So again here Fe will undergo oxidation to form Fe2 plus, will go into the electrolytic solution. The electrons generated will travel from anode to cathode, and at cathode they will be taken by the H plus present into the electrolytic solution to form hydrogen gas. In this way the hydrogen evolution mechanism will occur. So in summary, we have discussed about wet corrosion, then we have discussed about two mechanisms of wet corrosion, that is hydrogen evolution mechanism and oxygen absorption mechanism, and further we have discussed about hydrogen evolution mechanism in which the hydrogen evolution takes place at the cathode while the anodic metal will undergo corrosion. Thank you for watching this session.